This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Haxshadow YouTube channel. Over the past few weeks, I've been reading your comments, and I noticed one issue that many of you keep mentioning. Most of the latest AI models are not completely free. To use them, you usually need a paid subscription. The bigger problem is that these models are often spread across different platforms, so you end up creating multiple accounts and switching between different websites. That makes the whole experience much more frustrating than it needs to be.
Now, let's talk about the ChatGPT models. The latest models currently available are GPT 5.6 Luna, GPT 5.6 Terra, and GPT 5.6 Sol. To use these models, you'll need an eligible paid subscription. Once you're subscribed, you'll be able to access and use them.
The same goes for Gemini. If you want to use models like Flash 3.6 and Flash 3.5, you'll need a Gemini subscription. Once you subscribe, you'll be able to access and use those models as well. Next is Claude. If you want to use models like Claude Fable 5, Opus 4.8, Sonnet 5, or Sonnet 4.6, you'll need a Claude subscription. Once you're subscribed, you'll be able to access and use all of these models. Now, if you want to use all of these models for free, let me introduce you to a platform called Tasklit.ai. On this website, you can access a wide range of AI models without needing separate subscriptions for each one. To get started, you'll first need to create an account. The sign-up process is simple. Just sign up the same way you normally do on any website. Once that's done, you'll be ready to start using the available models. We've successfully signed up. As soon as you create your account, you'll receive 300 free credits. The best part is that once you use those credits, you'll get another 300 credits the next day so you can keep using the platform. Another great feature is that you can connect MCP servers and integrate other services as well. You can even connect your Gmail and other tools, making it easy to manage everything from one place.
Now, let's take a look at the AI models available on the platform. As you can see, you can use Claude Fable 5, Opus 5, and Opus 4.8. You also have access to ChatGPT 5.6 Luna, 5.6 Terra, and 5.6 Sol. For Gemini, you can use Flash 3.5 and Flash 3.6, and Kimi K3 is available as well. So you get access to a wide range of powerful AI models, all in one place.
For this demo, I'll select the latest Claude model, Fable 5. I'll ask it to create a landing page for me. I already have the prompt ready. It's very simple. I just asked it to build a landing page and use the information from my YouTube channel. Now let's see how well it performs, how long it takes, and how many credits it uses.
As you can see, it immediately started researching my YouTube channel and gathering information from it. After collecting enough details, it began creating the landing page. The page was generated successfully, but if you look closely, you'll notice that it used quite a lot of credits during this process because it spent time gathering information before generating the final result. Another thing you may have noticed is that I'm now using Opus 4.8 instead of Fable 5. The reason is, when I started this task with Fable 5, it analyzed my YouTube channel and recognized that most of my content is related to cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Because of that, it refused to continue with the request and suggested switching to Opus 4.8 instead. So I switched the model to Opus 4.8, and after that, it completed the landing page without any issues. What's interesting is that the research and information gathering were done by Fable 5, while Opus 4.8 was only used to generate the final result. That's something worth keeping in mind when you're working with these models.
Overall, I think it did an excellent job with the landing page. The design looks great, the information is well organized, and it accurately used the details it found about my channel. It handled the task much better than I expected. The reason it consumed so many credits is because I used Fable 5, which performs a deeper analysis before generating the final result. So my recommendation is this. Whenever you have an important task that really benefits from these advanced models, come to this platform and use them here. For your everyday work, I'd still recommend using your regular AI models and saving this website for tasks that actually require these premium models. That way, you'll get the most value from your credits and avoid wasting them. This is exactly how I use the platform myself whenever I have a specific project or task. Just keep in mind that the free credits are limited, so use them wisely and plan your work before you start. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I hope I was able to explain everything clearly and that you now understand how to use it. If we go back to the landing page, I think it turned out really well. It organized everything nicely, used the information from my YouTube channel accurately, and even added a proper subscribe button for my channel. And the best part is that if I want to, I can easily customize it further and make it even better.
If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to drop a comment telling me what kind of videos you want to see next.